Hey guys, I just got back from picking up our Azure order for this month, and it's a little bit chaotic in here because we also went to the animal shelter and picked up some kittens to foster today. So I didn't do my filming with all the stuff. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for that, but I just wanted to show you what I got this month. There's a couple new things for us and a couple of our favorites that we order all the time. So I'm just gonna make a quick video today and show you what we got from Azure this month. Okay, so this is everything I got from Azure this month. For me, this is a relatively small to medium-sized order, but I went ahead and got a case of pickles. We're all out of pickles, and my kids just love them, so we got a case for the kids to have. Probably won't last us until till I make some, but I also got this case of crumbled cauliflower. It's frozen. That was, I think, a new item, and we're going to go ahead and try it. We like cauliflower as a side dish. I also got some Ezekiel bread, kind of random, but my kids really want to try it. And before I invest in all the grains, I told them we're going to try a loaf first. I got a case of some strawberry yogurt this month. I haven't been making yogurt lately because I haven't had as much milk in the fridge, so this will get us by for a little while. They also had some organic apple cider vinegar on sale, so I got 3 gallons. That is for pickling and for canning later this summer. And I don't know if it will get me through the whole season, but I will give it a try. All right, in the main box over here, I got some more of our favorite Redmond's clay. We like that for all kinds of bug bites. We got some wormwood. That's for my husband. He wants to do a detox this month. And this is our favorite mustard that we get from Azure. Oh, and I forgot to show you, I also got some of these tortillas. If you don't already know, I cannot eat grains, and I recently found these tortillas. They are not cheap, and someday maybe I could figure out how to make them myself, but for now, these are super convenient. We have tacos a lot, so this is really nice for me to have some tortillas along with everybody else. I also got a block of our favorite mozzarella cheese. This is about 5 or 6 pounds, and I'll shred this all up and put it in the freezer. I really like this oxygen bleach powder. I use that for our laundry, especially for my cloth diapers. I got a few jars of pickles for myself. There is some spices in the Bubby's pickles that I can't have, so I just got a few jars of pickles because we just really love pickles. And this is some bentonite clay in a tablet form. Again, something for my husband's detox. I got a pack of batteries this time. These are just double A's. We were almost out. And then I just got some pumpkin seeds for a little snack for myself. I also bought this 40-pound case of pears. We're just going to eat them fresh, and then I'm also going to make some pear sauce with them. They look really good this time. Last time I got some and they weren't the best, but these look really nice. Okay, so that is everything that we got from Azure. I hope that you found it interesting or maybe found something that you want to check out for next time. Like I said, some things are some of our favorites that we order all the time, and then we have a couple new things this time that we're trying out. But otherwise, it's kind of a mid-sized drop for me. We didn't really have a ton of pantry staples that we ordered this time, but just a couple things that we needed. So now I'm going to go take care of our new little kitty friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.